Let's get it. Man, your bike landed pretty minty.
Hey guys, what's up? This is my bike check.
Spokes.
So up here I got, actually back there too, I got NS Trailmaster 6066 T6 sleeved, double wall rims. I got the Identity Rebate rigids, 20 mil. Got the District bars, oh yeah, grips.
What color's your bike?
My bike is like some sort of like pink, as you can see.
Sensation.
Yo, tell us about this this thingy right here. Looks pretty mint.
That sprocket there. It's a good one. Took a 3-pound sledge to hammer on.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Straight out of the UK.
On
Hastings.
some. Wow. Are your parents okay with that swear word being on your bicycle?
They don't know.
They do now.
Yeah. As you can see here, we got that 10-wall resist Nomad tires, 2.35.
Oh yeah, spin that nice. Oh yeah.
Nice bearings there. We have the Ranger stem. It's so unknown. I don't remember who it is. Moving back, we got the profile hub.
Can we hear it?
Spacing. Oh yeah, by the way, it's a NS capital frame, 26 inch. Got the plastic pedals. Good.
Dude, how do they spin? How well do they spin? Let's get a spin test. Spin check. Oh, I spin pretty nice.
Fairly well. We got the seat Superstar pivot.
What? Have you guys ever seen that before?
We got the Profile Racing cranks. Gun-drilled hollow titanium axle for ultimate weight savings, which you don't want in the streets, but it's there anyways. We got the Kink Spanish bottom bracket. My bike check.
Subscribe to Reed H on YouTube.
Sensational.
Fuck all the roadblocks, we stopping the road stop. The promise you gave me your road swap. Let's praise to the most high. But like I got millions already. I got the draw like the line of Andretti. Rockefeller Hill, we talking to Fetty. I need a woman that's fine and lady. I'm married that woman, I'll ride if she let me. Hey, hey. No satisfaction until I'm in all the fame, man. Hey, with sense in the mind, it's gold if I can have the whole thing. Hey, they fuck with me, they fuck with the campaign, yeah. Hey, I'm sure that my city and that from nothing never be the same. I'm bridging the gap between me, my dreams, and rap, nigga. From the get, I promise I would never be on rap, nigga. Think I'm golden once they heard me really going plat winning. Hey, they heard I got it and they told facts, nigga. What is it for? Fuck the bullshit, man, I'm down to get it, though. Squad position, I be running, giving goals. Just 3, but an all-star team, yeah. Brothers been down since flip sales. Niggas who never tell no tales. This wearing this shit was some way for you to trip. At the main event, but missed all the ads. Can't run with me moving like that. Dream chaser, tell them Kylie with the vice grip. Yup. They all can't be lying when they say the boy the nicest. Yup. At this inclusion, I can only prove them right. Something had to come from all the overnight. Since November, I've been raising Fahrenheit. Hell yeah. Feel like I can bat 100 the way they waiting for another. Aiming for 2 products in the summer. Go hard in the pain like I'm Dre Drummer. Ain't a product till you make one with me. Even then, I'm in their playlist, really. Ain't it crazy? Need more hours in the day late. Always working shit is give and take. To myself, cause I'm better off. Fuck me over and I'm Jack Frost.
Oh, we got it.
That's why niggas, this ain't new shit. The way I'm cutting off is ruthless. They like chill, you be holding grudges. Fact is, I was tripping.